Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create barcodes in Excel. It's a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through each step. The first thing you need to do is download a barcode font. You can find several options on various websites. For this tutorial, we will use the free barcode font available on idautomation.com. Once you've chosen your font and downloaded it, you'll typically find it in your Downloads folder. The font is usually inside a zip folder. To access it, right-click on the zip folder and select Extract All. You can choose to extract it to the same Downloads folder. Inside the extracted folder, you'll find the barcode font. Right-click on the font file and select Install. Now go back to Microsoft Excel. You should see the newly installed font in your font list. If it doesn't appear, try closing Excel and reopening it. Before you start creating barcodes, remember that the numbers you use must be stored as text in Excel. If they are stored as numbers, you might face two issues. Excel might represent them in scientific format, or it might remove leading zeros from numbers that start with a zero. To avoid these problems, apply the text format to the cell where you plan to enter your barcode numbers. Select the cells, go to the Home tab, and choose text from the numbered format drop-down. Now let's create the barcodes. We'll do this in a separate column. To surround your numbers with brackets, to create barcodes, you need to use a simple formula. In a new cell, type an equal sign, an open bracket, enclosed in double quotation marks, and then use the ampersand to join it with a number from column A. Finally, add another ampersand and a closed bracket. Now apply your newly installed barcode font to this cell, and we'll see the barcode generated based on the number in column A. To create barcodes for other numbers, simply copy the formula down to other cells by double-clicking on the small square in the lower right corner of the cell. That's it. You've successfully created barcodes in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.